Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back with another video breakdown of my Python practice for today. Today, I am on week 9 of Data in Motion's coding challenges. As always, I'll leave the link below in the description in case you guys want to check out some of their SQL or Python coding challenges for yourself. But let's go ahead and get started. The instruction is to create a function that takes a string as input and capitalizes the string. And as you see, they do give us two examples of test cases we can use. And in the test case, you see that they gave the word hello and it returned hello with a capital H. So let's go ahead and look into this. As you can see, I do have Google open because I'm going to show you guys what I do when I don't remember certain functions or pre-built methods that I can use. So with this one, I don't remember how to capitalize letters on my own. And since I'm not doing a blind challenge, I'm going to go ahead and look and see what I can use to help me create my solution. So what I normally do is I go to Google and I'll type in the subject and see what it returns, and then I'll use that to help me code. So I'm looking for something that capitalizes a string. So what we can do, we can actually just copy and paste, capitalize the string here. So that is what function I want to help me. I'm going to paste it in there, and then, it says the different languages. I'm going to just put in Python. And, it pulls up a bunch of different websites you can choose from. Let's try the first one and see what they say you can use. So as you see here, this is Geek for Geeks, string capitalized in Python. So this method returns a copy of the original string and converts the first character to a capital uppercase letter while making all the other characters in the string lowercase. So this is exactly what we want. We want to make only the first letter capital, and we want the rest to be lowercase. So this is what we can use, string capitalized, and then it also give you examples of how to use it. So it says you will just grab the variable and you will just call the method capitalize, and that will capitalize the first letter. So now we know we're going to use that. Let's just copy the method call itself, and then we know what method to use. And then we can get rid of this. So let me close this out, come over here, and let us get started on our code. We can just put it in notes. So we'll say, comment that out, and we'll say, will help with the solution. Okay, so now we have that, we can get started on our solution. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define my function. I'm going to use the same name they used, and that way it'll make it easier for us to run those test cases. So I'll come and I'll grab that, and then we have to define it here. And it says it's going to take in a string. So in the parameters, we're going to go ahead and call it a underscore string. And then I'm going to put a pass here because we're going to come back and fill that in. And I'll just do my main next. And then after that, I'll call the main at the bottom. And then I go back and fill everything in. I'm going to grab those test cases here. And I'm going to throw that in my main. And then I'm going to come and I'm going to uncomment it. I'm going to indent that. I'm going to remove the results here. That's just showing us what we want to get back. And then we have to fix these because it's not recognizing those. And that's my cat fussing in the background. I'll get to her later. Okay. So I'm just going to put this in the list called tests. And we'll loop through that list to view the results. Okay. And here we'll say for T in test. We're going to print T. And that'll show us the Matter of fact, I need equal to. That's what I was missing. There we go. So we created our list of tests, and then down here we're going to print each test on its own line with the return value. So now let's do our solution. So it was really simple because we do have that method capitalized that will pretty much do what the instruction says. It's going to take that string we feed it, and then we're going to capitalize the string. So we'll just say here we want to return a string, right? A string dot, and let's grab this capitalize, copy that, and that will essentially take that string, capitalize the first letter, and leave the rest smaller. So let's go ahead and see if it works correctly. So we'll say Python in the console, Python 3 week 9.py, and let's see what we get. And we're getting hello and again. So that is pretty much it. I hope you understand what I did here. Essentially, I didn't know what method to use, so I just went to Google and pretty much researched a method that would help us with this solution. Then I just pretty much brought that method over and filled it in how I needed to use it to obtain my solution. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you would have went about solving it. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Like and subscribe, guys, and I hope you have a great Wednesday and the rest of your day. And yeah, that's it. Bye bye.